Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to talk about the brand new palette by Beauty Bay. It is the Pastel palette. It is the perfect summer festival moment. I know we're not getting festivals, but it's definitely a perfect summer. Now I did have some slight teething problems with this, which I will talk about later in the video while I'm showing you guys. So before we start the review, let's talk about the giveaway. So of course the winner will be announced at 8 p.m. tonight, so that's in one hour. If you still not follow me on Instagram, then head over. It is clueless_mua87. That's where I'm going to be doing the announcement through a live video in 1 hour. If you still have not entered the giveaway, then subscribe to my channel. Go and leave a little comment with your social media name as well. If you don't have social media, then we can discuss that and we can just sort it out through email. And of course, give me a thumbs up on this video. So good luck to everyone, fingers crossed, and I will do it through a random website that's just going to generate everyone's name, and that way we will find out who's the winner. If you don't win, please don't be disappointed, because I promise we have got more giveaways coming up. We've got to hit that 200 mark as well next. I did say in my previous video 150, but I am currently at 133, so that could be, I'm not saying it could be in 2 weeks, but it potentially could be, so I don't really want to be doing a giveaway a lot, just because that, you know, I don't get paid from YouTube yet, so girl can't afford to be just doing giveaways all the time. So we are definitely going to do a giveaway at the 200 mark. We will discuss it near time and we will decide what is the best giveaway, because obviously we want to give you the newest products possible. So let's get into the review of the Beauty Bay Pastel palette. I'm so in love with you. I can't stop swinging on this chair. I got a brand new chair and it's like I just keep swinging with it and I don't want to, but it just keeps happening. I'm so sorry. So let's have a wee look at it, shall we? So this retails at £10 and this is what it looks like. It's very colourful. It is a light colourful, so it's not highly pigmented, so it's definitely more of a daily look. It would definitely be perfect for festival time. If you are one of the people out there who go to Coachella and, you know, things like that, or even, I don't know, Tea in the Park doesn't exist anymore. Glastonbury? Like, this would be amazing, and with just some like diamantes like around the side. Come with a mirror, and it's definitely very compactable. It's not too thick, it's thin enough to pop into any makeup bags. As you can see there, the packaging alone is beautiful. It is just basically, here's a preview of what we got in this palette, which is so good. So to be honest, I'm not going to do like a proper look. I'm just kind of going to pack each color on around my eye, and I will get into why I'm doing that. So I'm going to start off using this purple color just there. We're going to try and use the colors as we go around. I already have got my XX Revolution eye primer on. As you can see, to start with, we're not getting much. So that is the problem I did have with this palette. I find it's quite chalky. It's very thin consistency. It is horrendous to blend out. As soon as I blend it out, it just disappears. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack on this colour, and then I'm going to show you what I mean by it disappearing. Watch, it doesn't actually disappear in this video. So that is the colour there. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and get a brush, and we're just going to blend it out, and I can let you see that what it does. I'm going to use my Real Techniques, and I'm going to even do this thing, guys, so it doesn't look like I'm being like, do you see how the color, the pigment is pretty much disappearing? Like, there's not as much color as there was like before I blended it out, which is not great. Like, I do think that if you're going to be blending out, and then I think it's going to be blend out, add more product, blend out, add more product. This is what it's going to have to be like. So it's like the instant top layer of this product is just disappearing, which is not what I would want from a palette. And I know it's £10, I know what you're thinking, like, come on, but like, any palette, doesn't matter what cost, should not be doing this. So I do find that very disappointing. So that is something I have my little downfall of this product straight off the bat. But we're gonna just pop on the color fully all over my eyes and we'll see how we go on. I'm going to go in with a more pinky purple there, and we're just going to kind of pack that on alongside this one. Oh, wait, that was instant fallout, guys. Look at this. Okay, you ready? Ready? This is how I mean it's so thin. Like, we all get a little bit of a tap off, but what? Like, that is ridiculous. This is what it's looking like so far. So this one is definitely thinner consistency compared to that darker purple. I mean, because the colours are quite close together, I feel like they blend in nicely anyway, so I don't think I have to worry maybe too much about blending. Maybe that's the whole point of them. I'm going to go in with the pink there, and we're just going to pop that. Okay, that one doesn't have too much kickback. Maybe it just depends on the brush. Okay, so now I'm going to try out the orange. We're just going to pop that there. Try. That one's a little bit better. I think for the other colours, we're probably just going to have to go into the other eye. Okay, so this one's going to be a really hard one, and I know this is a hard one because when I swatched it, this is for me because I obviously, this comes off as like my skin tone. So when I'm putting on to start with, again, it may do better when it builds up, but when I put it on, it's just like there's a slight tinge of orange, but not much happening. So that's really disappointing. It is kind of starting to get there. How much does this look like a fruit salad? Like, you know the fruit salad squeeze? It looks like a wrapper or something. God, it's so cute. Like, I just wish this worked really well because I do love it. It's such a cute moment. Like, that looks all really nice together. I just wish it blended. Okay, so that is the pinks and the orange on so far. What? Oh my god. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop on this yellow on my outer corner. Let's see. Oh, whoa. Okay, whoa. That is a lot. That is a lot. Okay. Okay, that comes on really nicely. I like that. Let's go on to my other eye and we'll go in with the more greens and we'll see how they look. I'm going to go in with this green here, which is the darkest one. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh, what? Okay, green. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this lighter, like, lime green. Oh! That. So we're going to try out this more, like, blue teal. I don't know what you'd call that. And again, that just went, oof. And then I'm going to try out the yellow, and I know that I've tried it out on the outer corner on this side. That is all the colours on. Now let's just try and see if we can actually create a more better moment with this. Let's try and make it look just a tiny bit better. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. Please do not judge this. It is horrendous. I know the colours do not match well, but it's the best way to show you guys how all the colours look together. Okay, so I'm just going to go and put on some mascara and then we will get into my final thoughts. Okay, so that's my mascara on. Final thoughts on this. Now I've spoke about obviously during the putting on the colours. Generally, I think this is definitely a palette for the more experienced people who are great with makeup. If you're someone who does usual like looks with colours and stuff like that normally and has worked with pastel palettes before, then I'd highly recommend this. But to beginners like myself, I wouldn't advise it just because it just isn't easy to work with. If you want to get it and work with it and kind of find out ways and learn to do it, that's fine. But it's not on my mind at the moment. I'd rather work with products. It's the more techniques that I'm looking to get in the terms of like perfecting like crease and things like that. So, you know, I'd probably avoid this just now and then maybe work upon something like this in a later date. At the current moment, I just want to think about my technique onto getting the more coloured creases and, you know, things like that. And my Revolution palettes I definitely find are perfect for that, because I can build the product on and slowly build up, whereas this one, as I said, it would take a lot longer to work with for sure. So yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. I know this eye moment is disappointing, it's horrendous. It's not something I would obviously do on a normal basis or in general ever, or even Instagram. But I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, then please remember to give me a good old thumbs up, and then remember at 8 o'clock to head over to my Instagram where you will find out the winner of the giveaway. Guys, I will see you on Monday's video, and remember to please stay safe.